Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker. We'll explore their features, pricing, and ice production capabilities to see which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $59. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker comes with a higher price tag of $209. This significant difference in price may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a more economical choice. In terms of ice production, the Sweetcrispy can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the Nugget Ice Maker boasts a higher capacity of 34 pounds per day. If you frequently host gatherings or need a large amount of ice, the Nugget Ice Maker may be the better choice for you. The type of ice produced is another important factor to consider. The Sweetcrispy makes traditional bullet ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, known for its soft texture and slow melting rate, making it perfect for cocktails and other beverages. Your preference for ice type may sway your decision. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The Sweetcrispy is a more affordable option with decent ice production, while the Nugget Ice Maker offers a premium experience with higher capacity and chewable ice. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.